Motorola will unveil a new Edge 60 smartphone with many functions, while the Edge Stylus will be globally available. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The smartphone will be powered by one of the latest chipsets that will be Qualcomm Snapdragon. Moto Edge 60 Stylus is going to have a octa-core processor and GPU of Adreno for base graphics. There will be POLED touchscreen display and 6.7 inches display screen size and the resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels. The battery of the phone is a gigantic one that will offer 5000 mAh capacity. There will be IP68 dust tight and water resistant. To protect this screen, there will be a Corning Gorilla Glass will be installed. The Motorola Edge 60 Stylus will have 8 and 12 GB of RAM. The built-in storage capacity will be 256. There will be dual camera setup back on this amazing phone. Phone will run with Android operating system. That's all for now and thanks for watching.